Everything was purely imagination back then. But now, my imagination has turned into reality.
When forever comes tomorrow, what has been will always be.
Now I know why in all those imaginations you were not present. Because you are my reality. Ngayon, naniniwala na akong higit pa ang plano ni Lord kaysa sa lahat ng mga plano at gusto ko nung ibinigay Kanya sa akin. You are the opposite of what I prayed for. You are the opposite of who I imagined myself to be with every day. Yet God gave you to me because God knows I don't just deserve better, but the best. And it was you.
It's always you. It's always you. It's always you. Always been you.
Thank you pa. Mahal salamat. Huwag kayong mapagad at kayo itilag. Naaruman tayo laban. Kayo itilag. Kakayulinganan. Inataros.
It's always you. It's always you. Always been you. It's always you. It's always you. Always been you. When forever comes tomorrow, what has been will always be.
Pangakong hindi ako masasawang bungangaan kapag hindi ko na ilalagay ang marumi mong damit sa tamang lagayan. Pangakong susungitan ka kahit walang dahilan. At pangakong aawahin ka kahit sa napakaliit na dahilan.
Pag hindi umiyak, hanggang gitna lang ako.
Alright, alright. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's go. Say less, feeling so blessed. Everything's easy like a Sunday morning. Yeah, that just our best. Dressed to impress, make them say, oh Lord.
Eh, may pulutan na mamaya.
Ako bahala sa'yo mamaya.
No return, no exchange. Sabi din ng mga negosyante dyan. Kailangan 100% sigurado ka sa pagpili ng taong makakasama mo panghabang buhay. And I'm proud na ikaw ang pinili ko.
We are gathered together to join Eman and Fatima as they're going to forge a new chapter in their life as husband and wife.
And I never want this moment to end. Oh, as sure as the day
Mahal,
breaks.
ito yung lagi mong pinapanood na hindi kita masabayan. But don't worry, supportado kita sa lahat. Got you back always. I can't wait to see you later. I love you so much. My love, Fatima.
To be. Oh, and I will love you till the end. Every moment breathe it in, just to have you by my side. Oh, time after.
This gift represents as my lifetime commitment with you as my wife.
Day
It also symbolizes our love and connection with each other and how we grow stronger.
Life is difficult. Marriage is difficult. But together, it will be easy.
Thank you for the countless times na pinatunayan mong kamahal-mahal ako. Ngayon na yung soon na lagi mo isinasagot sa akin every time kukulitin kita kung kailan mo ko pakakasalan. Napakasaya ko mahal kasi hindi mo ko binigo. Hindi mo ko sinukuan at hindi rin iniwan.